This is a short video explaining how to apply the appropriate UCE device license, so you can use the IPEX UCE application as a voice client. To start, log into the appropriate customer management portal and navigate to User Setup from the user menu on the left-hand side. You may be linking the UCE device license to an existing extension as a multi-client setup. If so, double-click on the appropriate extension number and navigate to the Device tab. Under the Assign Device section, you will see your physical handset. Double-click anywhere on the screen or select Modify to make changes. Select the Add button and then select the additional device soft client option with the checkbox and assign the appropriate soft client license. Click Confirm to save and OK to finalise the registration. The existing station number is now ready to be used as a voice client alongside the IPEX UCE desktop or mobile application. You can check this on the device column from within the user list, where you should see the physical handset and the UCE client attached. Alternatively, you may require to use the UCE device license as a single client device with no link to physical handset. To do so, navigate to User Setup and select Add. Once you have filled in the new extension details, navigate to Device, select the Soft Client option and select the appropriate UCE license. Select Save and OK to register. Again, from the device column from within your user list, you can see that the UCE Soft Client license has been associated with the new extension you created. Your single client for voice is now ready to be used alongside the desktop or mobile application.